I like getting the most out of your wood though.
Alright, welcome back. Just a quickie today, getting the most out of your wood. Keeping your wood as stable as possible when you're building doors and the like. So I usually buy, big pieces. This is a 12-inch, they call it, but 12. It's actually 11 1/4 by like 1.5 inches. But as you can see, there's the pith here. Round. Anytime you get big wood, you're gonna have the round. You want to cut that out. No good. What you're looking for is a straight up and ground, down, up and ground grade, up and. What you're looking for is the up and down grain. This is your most stable. That's what you want. So when you cut the pith out, you end up with a few boards with some good grain. Even though you have good grain, you want to let them rest. You've taken a lot of stress out of the middle of the board and it's gonna move. So cut them, stack them, leave them be for overnight, a couple days. Alright, so notice the gap that has started just by cutting out the middle. That gap we can live with. We can cut it out and glue another piece on. But you need that movement to know what you need to fix. Same two boards, luckily, or hopefully you can see that they've stayed straight, so they're not bowing. It just kind of cupped up a little bit. Or they're not cupping, they kind of bowed up a little bit. Depends on how you want to look at it. But they're straight. Now what we don't want is the bow like that. But wouldn't have known that bow was there until after we let it rest a while either. And pretty good gap right there anyway. So it's twisted, but it was nice and flat to start. You have to let it rest so you know what you have to work with. Alright, well that was just a quickie. I hope it provided you some sort of information. If you kind of want to see the barn door build, let me know. I got 4 doors to build. Maybe I can get a decent video out of one of them. But I'm probably not going to start that for a few days. But let me know down below. Alright. Hope to help. Give your wood a rest. Have a good day. That was wrong. Have a wonderful day.